Hey guys, a friend of mine gifted me these bottles and there are a lot of them. So if you have any idea of what you want me to make with glass bottles, then please comment it down below. In the meantime, I'm going to make some house decoration using them. I have big ones, but I wanted something small, so I'm using the small ones. So I start off this process by washing these bottles because they were a bit oily inside. There was some kind of oil that was inside there, so I washed them and just there they are drying on the rack. And then I used the acrylic and spray paints to paint them. However, I did not like how the spray paint was on this surface. It was too smooth, so it was peeling off. So I redid with the acrylic paints after I spray painted. So if you're doing this, you can just go ahead and use acrylic paint and forget about the spray paints. Then I'm also going to use this dewdrop that I got. This dewdrop I got from a shop in town that sells DIY stuff, and it was going for 40 shillings per meter. In case you know a place where I can get the rope at wholesale price or better prices, then please let me know. So this is me repeating the same process using acrylic paints for the green color. And you can also see that the application is even way better with the acrylic paint. Please consider to subscribe to my channel if you haven't and get me to 1,000 subscribers. And for those ones who have been here with me, thank you so much for always coming to watch my videos. So just a tip, if you're using acrylic paint, then look for sponge or foam. It applies it way better as compared to the brush. These flowers, I got them from a stage market at I think 50 shillings each. But for the lilies, I dried them by myself here at home. Thank you so much for watching this video up to here. I really appreciate you. Please like and share the video to others so that my work can be recommended to more people. And also, thank you so much if you are returning subscriber.